นี่คือประเทศไทยที่กำลังมุ่งไปสู่จุดหมายเพื่อพัฒนาให้เรายิ่งใหญ่แต่จะไปถึงตรงนั้นได้ยังไงถ้าเครื่องทำงานไม่พร้อมกัน
Take a look at this motorcycle, which has two engines running in parallel. Engine A is the regional administration. This is the central government working at local levels. And Engine B is the local administration. This is the separate locally elected government. Currently, there are many local administrations in Thailand, almost 8,000 of them. The problem is that many of these local governments are small, making it difficult to provide good services cost-effectively. With so many local governments, coordination, control, and efficiency are affected. How can we tune the engine? Thailand is not the only country dealing with this issue. Others have been successful in consolidating small local governments to reduce the number of local authorities, making central government more effective, and making sure local governments are big enough to provide quality services. For example, Denmark reduced its number of local governments from 271 small units to just 98 larger ones. These local governments are better able to deliver important services, making coordination easier for the central government. By consolidating some of the smaller local administration organizations into larger, more viable units, we can reduce the administrative cost, focus more on providing quality services, and improve oversight and coordination. In other words, in order for the engine to run well, it's important to make sure the individual parts are the right size to provide good services, so they can be in sync and managed effectively. This will make for a smoother, more efficient, and faster ride.